Okay, another test to check for normality of the data. You can use SD. So a feature of normal distribution is that 95% of the data value lie within 1.96 SD or plus minus from the mean, which is 2 SD, meaning that if the distribution is normal, most of the data should lie within 2 SD below and above the mean. So using the SD to check normality, if the 95% range is within or close to the minimum and maximum values, the data has an approximately normal distribution. If the estimated 95% range are lower than the actual minimum and maximum values, the distribution usually is skewed to the right. If the estimated 95% range are much higher than the actual minimum maximum values, distribution usually skewed to the left. So this is the example of the data. It's using SD to check the normality. So we have variable here, birth weight, destination age, length of stay. So we need to calculate the 2SD from the what we have SD here, 2464. So and then 2SD times the 2 times the SD and then estimated, which is, and then we will get the 95% CI here. The mean plus minus 2 SD, we will get 95% CI, and then we compare with the minimum and maximum value. So here we see the 95% CI and the minimum and maximum value is more or less the same for birth weight and also for gestational age, but it is far away for length of stay. So I can conclude here that the birth weight and gestational age has the normal distribution, but not length of stay based on this test. Okay, so we have the SPSS data set here. How to do to get the standard deviation, and then we need to calculate the confidence interval. So SD plus 2, sorry, mean and plus 2 SD. So we go to analyze and descriptive statistic frequency. So you put all the variable you want here, go to statistic. Okay, so you have median and mean here, so you don't need it. So actually you need mean and then standard deviation and then minimum and maximum. So just click continue. Just click OK. So here you have all the data, mean, standard deviation, and the minimum and maximum value. So you can calculate from here. So here we have the data from the SPSS just now. The standard deviation and mean, minimum and maximum value for BMI, diastolic blood pressure, systolic blood pressure. So I've put it in the table. So that mean and then plus minus 2 SD, we get the confidence interval. So here, confidence interval, we compare it to the minimum and maximum value. So for this, we see the minimum confidence interval and then minimum and maximum value is almost the same with the range for the diastolic blood pressure also and for the systolic blood pressure also. So this is mean all of these three variable is in normal distribution. Okay, that's all. Thank you.